Hi, welcome to this week's episode of Cooking with OB. This week we're going to have a look at making some banana and coconut muffins, which make a great snack for being at home as well as being out on the hills. So, what you'll need for today's recipe is 205 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of coconut powder, 280 grams of sour cream or Greek yogurt, which is what we're using today, 95 grams of honey, 100 millilitres of milk, 3 ripe bananas, and overripe is absolutely fine, 3 large eggs, 25 grams of melted coconut oil, 1.5 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Okay, so we've washed our hands and we've preset our oven to 180 degrees centigrade. First lot of ingredients we're going to mix are the dry ingredients. So we're going to put in our flour, our coconut, our 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, our 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and our 1.5 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda. So once we've added those, what we need to do is mix those in, make sure they're nice and combined, and then make a little well in the middle when we add our liquid ingredients. Next, what we're going to do is take the rest of our ingredients, except the bananas, and add them to the liquidizer and then blend until smooth. So there's our honey, our yogurt, our coconut oil, our milk, and of course our eggs. And then blend until smooth. So once those ingredients are all mixed in and nice and smooth, we can go ahead and bring back our bowl of dry ingredients, and we're going to add the two together. So that well that we made earlier, we can add the wet ingredients into that. Just go ahead, add all of that in, and then mix all that together until it's smooth. And if you've got one, a whisk here will be really useful just to get out all those lumps and make sure everything is evenly mixed together and as smooth as it can be. So once our mixture is all done, what we're going to do next is put it into the individual cake tins before it goes into the oven. I find the easiest way to do this is to get a larger spoon and then spoon your mixture into your cake tins, trying to make it as even as we can in each one. So once we've evenly filled our cake holders, there's only one thing to do, and that's to put it in the oven for 15 minutes until golden brown. So after 15 minutes, and when your muffins are golden brown, take them out of the oven and give them a quick test by putting a knife to the middle. If the knife comes out and it's clean, then they are good to go. Now what we need to do is leave them to cool a bit longer, and they'll be good to go. So our first batch looks pretty good. We're going to go and enjoy these now. Let us know how yours turn out by leaving a comment in the box below. Until next time, stay safe and ma salama.